Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and the vote is in. Which one? Abstract or floral? Check out the video because I think you're going to be surprised. Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so because we would love to have you. All right, now we're at the selection of, is it going to be a floral or is it going to be an abstract? The votes are in. So what is it? What's best? What am I going to demo? You want to know? Well, guess what? It was a tie. It was a complete tie, and I was just like floored. It went one way, and then it went the other way, and now it's a tie. So which one am I going to do? What am I going to pick? Well, I'm going to do both. And I'll do them two different ways. So it'll be very interesting for me and for you, and so bear with me on all of this. It's going to be a fun ride. So I'm going to do the floral first. And the reason is because that's what I want to do. I'm kind of into the flowers. However, I have a huge apology to make to you. I call them dahlias, and they are peonies. They're not dahlias. I am so sorry. I was just kind of like had a senior moment. But they are peonies, of which I love. I love dahlias too, trust me. I love dahlias. They're gorgeous. But the picture that I showed you were peonies. And that's what we're going to do. So now, when I make a selection like this, what I normally do is a thumbnail sketch, right? Well, I'm not going to do that this time. I've decided, let's just go freeform. I'll do the thumbnail sketch on the abstract. Let's just go freeform and see what happens. Let me know if you're happy, because I'm extremely happy to be able to do both, because I think it's going to be fun, especially to do it two different ways. Anyway, I love you.